On the dividend news, we do have JP Morgan, which announced a dividend hike of 12% to $1.40 quarterly. We also have Qualcomm, which hiked its dividend by 4.7% to 89 cents. This marks 22 consecutive years of dividend increases. We also have Shoe Carnival, which hiked its dividend by 11.1%. Third to last one, guys, we do have is ticker symbol CL, hiking its dividend by 4%. We also have First Energy, which hiked its dividend by 4.7%. And then finally, Town Square Media hiked its dividend by 1.3%. What's up, everyone? This is Antonio here to bring you episode 282 of the portfolio update. So you guys already know it's Sunday. It's time to go over the portfolio, what I bought, what I sold, what dividends came in, and how much we grew the dividend snowball. But guys, I made some trades this past week. I'm definitely feeling a lot better now. Not feeling pretty sick, but we're going to be showing you guys. I actually sold out of a stock and I used that money to distribute it into other positions in my portfolio because I think I will get a better return long term. We will see what happens. I'll show you guys that. Let me know what you think in the comment section on that. But I'm hoping that this week I'll have some time to finally catch up on some of the videos that I've been trying to, I guess I've been putting off, where how much we've been making in the monthly dividend income, because we see this grow and grow. But you guys already know every single Sunday we come back and we look at where we are with the passive income, guys. This is my portfolio, how much is projected to make completely passive. I don't have to do anything for this. I'm converting my active income into passive income. Right now it's about $332.55 is what I'm making averagely on a month. Guys, this might change slightly down, or it might actually go higher, because remember, I actually sold out of a stock almost completely, not fully, but I used that distribution or that money and put it into other positions in my portfolio. I will be showing that shortly. But guys, you'll see annual dividends. Hopefully I can make some videos, catch up on this stuff, because I am super behind. I've been getting a couple comments on that. Same thing for quarterly dividends, and then also options premium. Pretty much haven't really made any trades with options. I've been super broke. But yeah, if we look at the return right here, 5.15% is what we made last year. Hopefully I can make some money, save up some money, and really right now with the market pulling back, any money I get, I'm trying to deploy it into the portfolio, because my future self will thank me. But I'm kind of tight on money right now at the current time. Money invested, guys, I do have goals here. Of course, we're probably towards the end of April, I guess end of March, and I have not done the goals for 2025, but they're pretty similar. I need to make those videos, guys. This ice cream shop and the local business that I've been investing into, guys, has been consuming so much of my time that it's just that I barely have any time to actually make the videos. I've actually just made myself at least minimum. I'm like, I can't break the trend of at least uploading every Sunday for you guys. So hopefully I don't break that. So, but yeah, we'll try to bring those Sunday videos, show you the portfolio, especially right now, because a lot of people are freaking out with the market pulling back. Guys, this is the best opportunity you can do right now. It's just dollar cost average on the way down, and then dollar cost average on the way up. And in a couple of years, guys, you guys would probably wish you would have bought actually more. Of course, there's fears with recession, but guys, just make sure you have your emergency fund. Be financially smart. Don't make dumb purchases, and just continue to dollar cost average. And in the long term, guys, your portfolio will be a lot more valuable as well. Of course, make sure you buy good stocks. Don't be buying the gambling stocks like AMC and some GameStop. But anyways, if we do show you guys here, we can kind of actually show you the portfolio, which you'll see the portfolio is at $271,687.62 on the day change. That's about $1,159.33, which is about 0.43%, a little bit less than a percent. And then on the 2-year change, we are in the green by $76,628.86, which is about a 39.29%. I took some profits on some of my portfolio gains. If we do look at the 1 month though, we are actually down by about a 4% 4.79%, almost a 5%, which is about almost $14,000. Not a big deal, guys. We have been dollar cost averaging. I've actually tried to deploy a little bit more money. I wish I had more, but I've been deploying a little bit more money, buying some of the companies that I think will actually pay me very, very well in the future. And hopefully this will get it to the 400K mark. We'll see what happens. I'm super excited what the future holds. If we do look at the 3 months, guys, we're down about 4.22%, which is about $12,000. And then if we do look at the 6 month, we're down actually about a 0.82%, a little bit less than a percent, which is about 2,200. And then on the year to date, we're down about 2.68%, which is about 7,500-ish. And then on the 1 year, we're up still in the green by 14.01%, which is about 33,000. The thing that I love about dividend growth investing, guys, is that in these super, like, where the market is red, right? We are actually still getting dividends, and those dividends reinvest back into the stock, which at the stock actually going down in value increases the dividend yield. And guys, when it drips, we are doing very, very well as well. It's also reassuring because you get the dividend and it just keeps you wanting to buy more in these hard moments, right? So it's like, I would say, like, it's very tricky. It plays with your mind, the market. When you see red, guys, it makes you want to panic. It makes you want to sell. But if you look at the other way and just want to buy more, it's a beautiful thing once it actually goes up. But anyways, if we look over here, guys, at the positions, you'll see that we are at about $19,783.37, which is about a 7.85%. We have like less than $1 on available cash, but guys, I've been buying the market. And then if we do look, about 219 shares of Microsoft. Alphabet, guys, I've been trying to accumulate as much Alphabet as I could. Google, 238 shares. Costco, about 30 shares. MasterCard, 22 shares. And then Meta, guys, I've been increasing on my Meta platform share position, which is about 16 shares. Wish I had more. Nvidia, 68 shares. Visa, 30. Amazon, 12 shares. And then Apple, guys, 2 shares. Yes, so it was Apple. I sold out of Apple mostly, and then I put it into a couple other other positions in my portfolio. I do still have SCHD, guys. I have over 2,740 shares. I believe their dividend is coming up, so it'll be nice when it drips and buys more shares. So I'm gonna get this to 3,000 shares, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. It's about $76,000 I've invested in, SCHD. Well, I guess the market value is $76,000. I really have about $68,000. And then if I do show you guys here the gains, which is about $58,694.08 since August 25th, 2022. Return 29.21%. Right here, if we do look at the projected income, you'll see that we're actually averaging about $279.26, which I guess I would probably do next 12 months. We're averaging about $327.04. So annually, $3,924.45. You'll see June is the best month, $927.80. And so we'll see what happens with that. If we do show you the transaction, I do have it to start from the 17th of March all the way till the 22nd, because I am recording this on a Saturday night, because Sunday I will be really busy with another event with the local business, which I'm telling you guys, it just keeps you busy. Hopefully it pays off long term. I think it will. If we do look here at the 17th, guys, you'll see Google actually paid us a dividend of $46.40. It dripped back into itself, and this is the beautiful thing, guys. Google is down. I've been trying to load up shares on it, so it's awesome seeing these $46 of the dividend from Google back into itself, dripping, buying about 0.28 shares of it at 165. And then, guys, on the 19th, I went ahead and bought Google. I bought about $100. 0.61 shares at 162. I bought some Amazon, guys. Bought $100 worth of Amazon. Bought almost a little bit over half a share at 192. I bought some Meta, guys. So I bought $100 worth of Meta, which was about 0.17 shares at about $576. And then I went ahead and made the big decision of actually selling out of Apple. Mostly I sold 20 shares. I sold them at $2.15, and then I got about $4,307.88 in profit, or I guess in cash, that I guess from the sale. So what I did was that same day I went ahead and bought some Meta. I bought $749.94, which was a little bit over a share of Meta at $585. I went ahead and bought some Google, guys. About $749 in Google, 4.54 shares at $164.92. Bought some more Meta, guys. I was like, let me pick up some more shares. Bought about almost $1,500 at $586. Bought a little bit over 2.55 shares. And then I went ahead and bought some Amazon, guys. 2 shares of Amazon. Spent about $389.69 at $194.84. And then the last one I did here was I bought Meta. So I went ahead and bought $927.94, which I think was the last available dollar I had on the available cash, which bought me about 1.58 shares at $587. And then, guys, I went ahead and deposited $300, which was to cover these $300 I bought earlier on before I sold out of Apple. But yeah, guys, I'm investing into the portfolio, taking advantage of these red days. I think my future self is going to thank me. We'll see how it plays out. But what I'm excited to see is how it affected my passive income for this week. So let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheet so you can kind of see that out. All right, guys, so we're here at the dashboard. I have a copy of this over here, so you can kind of see the difference when we do kick off the scripts. If we do go over here to settings and we go ahead and get rid of this, we can go ahead and jump over to Empower, which has the latest version of my portfolio with all the purchases from this past week. So I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, so we're at Empower on my Schwab account. Click on this copy holdings. It copies the content of my portfolio into the clipboard. And now we can jump back over to the dashboard, or I guess the Google Sheets. Right click, paste special values only. There we are. So we'll go ahead and go here to holdings, and as we'll see here, this is actually an old snapshot of my portfolio from last week. You'll see we had about 10 shares of Amazon, 10 shares of Meta. I think we went up to about 16, I think. I don't remember. Same thing for Google at 233. I think we're at 238 now. And it's just awesome seeing this grow. Same thing for Apple. We had 22 shares of Apple. Now we have about 2 shares, I believe. So once we go over here to portfolio tools, update for holdings, this will get wiped. It'll parse out the new stuff we just pasted. I'm hoping to get some time, guys. Maybe not this week, maybe the following. We'll see what happens. But I'm trying to get some time to sit down, fix these scripts for you guys. I know some of you guys use them, and I know you guys have asked in the comment section. So hopefully I can get that for you guys. But let's go ahead and click update portfolio holdings. Give it a second or two, and there we go. And guys, it is done. If we look here, we're on the projected dividend yield. We're still at 1.47% compared to 1.47% from last week. On the yield on cost, we did go actually down 1.58% compared to 1.59%. That was probably because of the sell, guys. And then on the yearly, $3,986.08. Yeah, we did go down, guys. Yearly now we're projected to make we're projected to make $3,986.08 compared to $3,990.55. So we went down about $4 yearly. On the monthly, we did go down about a couple pennies, so $332.17 compared to $332.55. On the weekly, we did go down about 8 pennies, so $76.66 now. On the day, $10.92 compared to $10.93. So every day now that goes by, we're making 1 penny less, but I think the gains will come up for it in the future, guys. Hourly, we are making 46 cents compared to 46 cents from last week. And then hourly work wage, this is if our portfolio was to go work a 40-hour work week, they would get paid an hourly rate of $1.92. We'll see how long that takes to get it to minimum wage. That'll be super awesome, a huge milestone for us to achieve, guys. This is actually all I have for you guys in the portfolio. Unfortunately, it did go down, but I think these are good moves to do in the long term that I think I'm pretty confident that I will get some great returns in the future. But don't forget to subscribe with that notification. Don't forget to drop a big thumbs up on the video. Costs you nothing, helps support the channel a lot. And if you stuck all the way to the very end, let me know by dropping a hashtag red, guys, because we are trying to pick up some of the red and you know, trying to accumulate more shares as we do. Or you know, we don't know how long the market will continue to go down, but for me, I'm gonna be buying on the way down, and once it recovers, I'm gonna still be buying, dollar cost averaging, keeping it simple, especially with you know, me being pretty busy now. So just remember to dollar cost average every week, no matter what it's doing. But anyways, guys, take care, stay safe. I will see you in the comment section. Hopefully I can get a time to start finally responding to them. But anyways, if not, don't forget to take opportunity of these red days, and I will talk to you guys later. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.